Morgan from Unisub, and today I'm going to show you how to sublimate one of our most popular ornament shapes, the two-sided aluminum Benelux ornament. For this demonstration, I'll be pressing both sides at the same time. If you would prefer to press one side at a time, you can reference our two-sided round ornament video. Let's get started. Here are the supplies you'll need to get started. A blank Benelux ornament, 2 printed transfers from your sublimation printer, heat tape, scissors, a clean microfiber cloth, heat protective gloves, a cooling rack, 2 sheets of protective paper, and your heat press set to 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius. Let's get our ornament ready for sublimation. Go ahead and turn on your heat press if you've not already done so it can warm up. We recommend to set your press to 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius and set your press to a medium pressure. Next, wipe off both transfers and the ornament. You can use a can of air to do this or a clean microfiber cloth. This will ensure that nothing will interfere with your sublimation. There also might be film on the ornament, so be sure to peel that off in advance of your sublimation. Next, grab one of your printed transfers and lay it down on the table. We'll keep this here for the prep. Grab the other printed transfer and remove some of the excess white paper from around it with scissors. This is going to help us tape the 2 transfers together while we are pressing both sides of our ornament at one time. Next, grab the ornament and line it up with the transfer. Next, we're going to flip it over and create a crease on this transfer using your finger. This is another really good tip when you're sublimating both sides of an item at the same time. All right, we have that crease made. It's lined up evenly. Go ahead and lay it onto the other transfer, and you can peel back the corners to make sure that it's lined up evenly. It looks good, so I'm going ahead and tape it down using 4 pieces of heat tape. Make sure not to get any tape on your ornament, just on your transfers, because that will affect the sublimation if the tape is on the ornament. This is going to sandwich our ornament between the 2 transfers so it won't move around on the heat press, and we are ready to move over to the press. Okay, we are ready to press our ornament. First, you'll want to lay a sheet of protective paper on the bottom of your press. Confirm that your press is at the correct temperature. Again, that's 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius. We're going to press our ornament for 60 to 70 seconds at a medium pressure. You can go ahead and lay it on our heat press, cover it with another sheet of protective paper. I'm going to go ahead and press. Another thing to keep in mind is that all presses are a little bit different, so experiment with yours to find what time and temperature works best for you. All right, we are ready to grab our ornament off of the heat press. I have on my heat protective gloves since this will be hot. Definitely use caution. Open up your press. Remove the top sheet of protective paper. Then using my heat glove and my finger, I'm going to tip out my ornament and grab it off with my heat glove. I'm going to lay it on our cooling rack to cool off for a few minutes. Check out our ornament, it looks great. All of our ornaments come with either red or white ribbon, so they're all ready for hanging. You can find the full collection of ornaments we manufacture, along with product templates and other resources at unisub.com. Thanks for joining us today. Happy sublimating!